So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can create a voice channel on the Discord of your particular Discord server. You can do the same process of creating a channel on your smartphone or any other platform of Discord as well. You just need to log into your Discord account, either if it could be a application or software version or a web version. So for this video I'm going to open the Discord on my web version, on my Windows PC, sorry. When I click this and open this, now this is the home page. You are left been familiar with this. Now on the most left you're gonna see all the server. First simply select the server of which you want to create a channel. For example, if I hit this, now here on this list you're gonna see on the most top of the list you're gonna see the name of the server. Their full name is visible over there. When you hit there, you're gonna see this option of create channel over there. When you click there, you're gonna see the it's a create channel window will pop right in front of you, and two different types of channel are available over there. The first one is text and voice. Here just simply select the text channel over there, from which someone can send text, images, gifs, emojis, opinions, etc. And just simply name that particular channel that you want to name. For example, if I name it sample, and just simply hit create channel. Now a sample created for the text channel over there, and you can create multiple text channels as well on a particular server. So by this method you can create a text channel on a particular server. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.